Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WsCube Tech channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that if somebody has copied your content or if somebody has copied your entire video or uploaded on their channel or they have copied a particular chunk on your video, then how you can find out and how you can request the removal of that video. We are going to talk about all of these things in one single video. So do watch this video till the end, and we are also going to talk about that how you can prevent those people to re-upload your copied video. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you have to go on the YouTube Studio. This is our YouTube Studio, and in the YouTube Studio, in the left section, you have to go on the copyright. Okay, as you will scroll down, you will see this option like copyright, and you have to click on the copyright. And you can see there are some matches. YouTube will automatically show you that if anybody has tried to copy your entire video or a chunk from your video, then this is the matching video. This channel WsCube has copied my one video, and this video is 100% matched with one my previous video uploaded. So in that case, I can request to remove this video because this video has already uploaded on my video and I own this video. Then I can just see that which video this person has copied, and as you can see that this person has copied entire of my video and post exactly same video on their channel with the same name. Okay, so this is the thing that we don't want. Okay, so we can just request YouTube or that person to remove this video. Okay, so there are few things that you can do. Here are some details, and from this frames either you can move to archive or you can request the video removal. You can request the YouTube that to remove this video. And the first thing I think that you should do, that you should, as you will contact the channel, then the YouTube will send a message to that person and it will ask to remove that video or to verify their video or to remove that particular chunk. So you have to put your email address, and this message will be sent to the owner of this channel that you have copied this video and you have to remove it. Okay, this is the first thing you can do. If you don't want to contact the channel, then this is the thing that you can do. From this option you can request the video removal. So we will click on that section, and here are some details that you have to fill. First of all, the first section that you have to fill, that which videos or which particular video you want to remove. So you have to click on the add video. Now you have to select that what type of your video has been copied. So you have to select that which video. So for example, a particular song could have been copied or the software or the artwork, but our video has been copied. So I am typing the video. And the subcategory would be from my YouTube channel, or you can place the request from your other YouTube channel. So I'm doing the first thing, that is from my YouTube channel. Then you have to paste here the video URL of your video that has been copied. Okay, so I'm going to just search for that particular video and I'm going to find out that video. Let's get started. So first of all, I'll open my channel. So I'm on my studio, and from content I have opened this in another tab, and I have to search this video which I have posted and it has been copied. Okay, so I'm going to search here. Okay, so this is the video that has been copied by that person. Okay, I'm going to copy the URL of this video. Okay, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to go back and paste the URL here. So here is the URL of my video which I have posted and it has been copied by someone else. Now I have to click on the location of infringed content, the content which has been copied. We have to select the location. Okay, so either I can select the entire video or particular timestamp. So I can see that there it has been shown that the 100% of my video has been copied. So I have to select the entire video, and now you have to copy the link of that particular video which a person tried to copy. Okay, so I can just click on that video and I have to copy the URL of that video. Okay, so this is the video which has been copied and placed to another channel. So I'm going to just copy the URL of this particular video and I'm going to post it here. Okay, so you have to copy two times. One is the URL of your own video and the URL of the person who has copied this video. So you have to copy that URL also. Now this is again the location. So I can say the entire video has been copied. Okay, and we have to click on the add to list. Okay, so this is the thing that this has appeared here, that this is the copy of my video which has been infringed and this is my content. Okay, so I have added this. Now I have to fill this relationship. You have to first of all select that who is the affected party, myself or my company or organization or client, as this channel belongs to my company. So I'm going to select this one. Now I have to select the relationship of copyrighted content. Do I own this or do I created this? So I have to type on the creator. Okay, so I have created this video, so I am the creator. Now I have to name of the copyright owner, that who own this. This is the name of my relationship, but this is the copyright owner, that who's the owner. I have to type it. So I can just type WsCube Tech. You can type your company's name or your name or the person who own this video. Now you have to type the country. Now you have to go for the country and you have to select your country where this video has been published. Okay, we have selected the India. Now you have to select your phone number. So I have selected a random number. Now you have to select the street address. I'm going to select a random address. Now there is the primary email, then the city have to type. So I'm selecting a random city. Now you have to type a secondary email. Okay, so this is the secondary email and you have to select on the state and your zip code you can select. Okay, so we have selected our detail, the person who is the owner of that video. We have fill the detail of that video, and now you have to select on the removal option. Okay, so now there are some two things you can do. Either you can send 7-day notice to that person who have copied your video and they have to remove that particular video within 7 days, or YouTube will automatically remove that. Okay, so either you can send a 7-day notice or you can request removal now, that whenever YouTube will read it and it will just remove that video. So this is a quick process, or you can just put a 7-day notice. Okay, so I'm going to do the request removal now. And now you have to, this is a very important section that prevent your copies of the video. So if anybody tries to copy your content, this particular video which we have added here, if anybody tries to copy this content once again or any time in future, then YouTube will automatically remove that video or it won't get uploaded. Okay, so this is the thing that you have to click on. You have to select on the I certify. Okay, these are some terms and conditions that you have to agree. So basically you can just type that nobody can upload this video again in future, okay, other than me. Okay, so it will YouTube will prevent the copies from being re-uploaded. Okay, so here are some legal agreement. You have to click on that. You have to do the signature. Okay, so you can put either your signature or your company's name you can write. Okay, so I have typed my name here, and then you have to select on the submit. Okay, as you will click on the submit, this request will get published, and as soon as YouTube finds out that this video is really copied, then it will just remove that video. It will take not more than 24 hours, and this is how you can remove a video which is yours and if anybody has copied that video. Okay, so you can just put the copyright issue directly to that video, or YouTube will show you in the matching section. Okay, so that particular match has been gone and this section has been here, that removal request. Okay, so this is in progress, this is under review. Within few hours or within few days, this video has been deleted from that particular channel. Okay, so this is how you can remove a content which is yours and it has been uploaded into some other party's channel. Okay, so I hope this video was useful for you. If you learned anything from this video, do like, and if you have any questions or queries, you can just comment down under this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss a video. Thank you so much.